Hi guys. So I'm gonna go through real quick our newsletter for this month, and I have a couple different pieces of it to share with you. Let me get back to the beginning here. So happy September, happy back to school. It's been a little crazy for the first month or so, but I think we're finally starting to uh, fight our way out of that back to school cave. Um, we're going to talk. I have a couple resources to share with you for you to spread around to your teachers at your buildings, and then a couple updates as far as where we're at and some miscellaneous information. Okay. So, the first resource is flippity.net. If you're not familiar, this is a really cool website. It gives you lots of different options. Just looking on here, you can make flashcards, you can do like a Jeopardy style show. I know some of your teachers enjoy doing that. It's got a name picker, and then just to show you real quick on each activity, it has a demo, and instructions, and a template. So if you want to see what it's like before you decide if you want to download it and use it, then you can go to the demo part of each one and check it out. It's totally customizable, which is pretty cool. So just one of those life hack websites that you can use for a lot of different things. Next up is Edpuzzle, and so this is creating lessons utilizing video. So basically, you can use already created video like from YouTube, and then you can embed audio notes in it, or you can create quizzes, interactive quizzes, and input from students within the video. Um, as far as I know, it is free to sign up. I have an account and they haven't asked me for money yet. And I believe it also has like a sharing kind of community area where you can look and see what other people are creating with it. Night Lab is another resource that gives you a couple different options. You can do story mapping, you can compare and contrast maps, you can create timelines, you can embed sound bites into presentations or reports. So lots of different things there. PDF Candy is pretty cool too. It just gives you the opportunity to do anything you want with a PDF, which PDF is notoriously, I hear people complain a lot that once you have a PDF, it's like, what can you do with it? You can't change the size of the file. You can't change it to other formats and that kind of thing. So with PDF Candy, you can do that. You can do lots of different things with your PDF. So just as an example, if you wanted to change your PDF to a JPEG, you click that, you add your files or drag and drop, and it also gives you information about how the conversion works. So PDF Candy is, I think it would be pretty useful for you guys. Also Class Hook, which is where you can find educational videos from TV shows and movies to use in your lessons. So instead of combing through an entire movie or TV show to find one little line or 1 minute blurb that you want to use, this helps you with that process and makes it more streamlined and easier to do. And then also Pear Deck, which is a Google Slides add-on. And Pear Deck is pretty cool as well. It allows you to just basically it allows you to enhance Google Slide presentations. So you do have to sign in. And then you can make flashcards with you can make a vocabulary game. You can, and it also will help you build presentations in Google Slides. So I'm not going to go through that because I don't have that much time today, but we can talk about that at a later training if we want to. And then last, there is a Google Slides presentation that is really cool that I saw at NETA last year that I wanted to share with you guys. I'll be doing a more comprehensive training with Google Slides sometime this fall or winter because I know teachers are curious about it. But in the meantime, if you have any teachers who are proactive and motivated to start looking at different things that they can do with Google Slides, go ahead and share this link with them. Really, really cute presentation and lots of great ideas on there. We have Fall NETA coming up in Kearney on Friday, November 1st, so let me know if you want to attend. And then our technology committee meeting is this Friday at 3 o'clock at the administration boardroom. We're going to talk about one-to-one at the high school and devices at the middle school and elementary. So hope to see you all there. As always, if you have any problems or issues, let Zach or I know via email. And I will see you soon. Thanks and have a great week.